I will talk about how can you add a password on your Bluesky app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, just click on settings. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to app passwords. You just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on add app password, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, and here can you just add it here, and you click here on create a password, then it's going to create with you here when you click here on down here. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.